Hello students, in this video I will demonstrate how to access your official Microsoft 365 account which is provided by VSIT. Now many students are facing the issues in accessing the same. So I have prepared this video on demand to help the students. So everybody might have got their email ID and the default password in your WhatsApp group. If not, kindly message me in a personal chat your complete roll number and full name, which I will forward the details to the technical support staff who will create your email ID and password, and then that will be provided to you. So if you have already received the email ID and password, most of the students have already received the email ID password, so kindly follow the steps now. First we will open the web browser. In the URL you have to enter mail.office365.com. I repeat, mail.office365.com and press enter. Okay, so you can see the screen now. Now here you have to enter the email ID. Now the email ID by default is your first name dot last name @visit.edu.in. Okay, so we enter the details here. So I am just using an example. So here you have to enter your email ID which is provided to you and then click on next. Now it is asking for a password. So here you have to enter the default password which is given to you. Now some of the students might already have changed their password from here. So if you have changed the password, then you don't have to use the default password. You have to use your own password. Okay, so I will just use the default password here. Now after entering the default password, we have to click on sign in. Now once you log in for the first time, it will ask you to update your password. Okay, so it will ask you to update your current password. So here in the current password, we will enter the default password which is given to you. Okay, when you create a new password, you have to be very careful because there are some conditions for the new password. The new password should be minimum 8 digits or characters, and then at least there should be one number, at least one special character, at least one uppercase character, and at least one lowercase character. Okay, so there are some conditions for entering the new password. Now whatever new password you enter, you have to remember it, because if you forget the password, then you cannot reset from your end. It has to be done from the administrative end. So please remember this password properly. So basically you can use your first name @123 or your last name @123, or you can write include your date of birth or month of birth or year of birth. So make sure that you use all the combination, at least one uppercase, at least one lowercase, at least one special character, and at least one number. So enter the new password once again. Okay, so for the safe side, you can keep your first name @123 or whatever you want. But please note that if you forget this password now, it will be a very lengthy procedure to retrieve that password, because you cannot retrieve the password from your end. So once you enter the password, okay, then you have to click on sign in. Okay, now this is also one example. We have seen that password many times. Okay, so in this case you have to completely change your password. Okay, now it has accepted the password. Once the password is entered, once it is accepting the password, you can see the screen like this. Okay, so here you can see the Outlook and all the details you can see here. It will ask for a welcome screen. Okay, welcome screen will be displayed. So we can close this for now. So this is how your password is reset. Okay, Now you can click over here, and once you click on here you can see the various application which is available on your subscription. So for the conducting the lectures we are using Microsoft Teams. Okay, so you can find the application Microsoft Teams over here. And one more thing, you have the Office 365 option over here. So if you want to install the Word, Excel and PowerPoint in a licensed version, okay, you can click on this link and you can follow the steps. You can download the Word, Excel and PowerPoint in a licensed version on your computer. So right now we will cover with the Teams. So when I click on Teams, now for the first time when you access the Microsoft Teams, okay, you can see the screen. So we just click on close. So this is Microsoft Teams and we are currently using the web version. So we are actually accessing the Microsoft Teams using the web browser. Okay, so Microsoft Teams is also available on an app. So if you see the cursor over here, it is telling us to download the desktop application. So you can also download the Microsoft application on your laptop or on your mobile phone. This Microsoft Teams app is available for laptop also as well as for a mobile phone also. Okay, so if you have a laptop or a mobile phone, you can download and install the Microsoft Teams application and you can sign in with the password which you just created. And second thing, if the app is not working, you always have the option of the web version. You can also join using the web version using the steps which I just showed you. Okay, so this is how you access your Microsoft Teams.